Have you ever felt like a word is on the tip of your tongue but you just can't recall it while speaking English? You're not alone. This happens even to people who have been learning the language for years. Today, I'll share 10 simple steps that will help your brain work faster. Block 1. Mindset and simplification. Think in English. Key point. Stop translating from your native language in your head. It takes too much time. Practice. Start with the basics. See the sun. Just say to yourself, the sun is bright. Use simple words. Key point. If you forget a complex word, don't stop. Replace it with a simpler one. Example. Forgot delicious? Say very tasty. Instead of huge, just say very big. Block 2. Daily activity. Speak every day. Key point. Practice is the best remedy. Know one to talk to. Speak to a mirror or record yourself on your phone for 2 minutes every day. Learn phrases, not words. Key point. Individual words are hard to remember. Learn them in context. Example. Instead of just the word beautiful, remember the sky is beautiful today. Key point. The classic flashcard method, word on one side, picture or meaning on the other. Just 5 minutes a day, and you'll be surprised by the results. Block 3. Immersion and reinforcement. Listen and watch. Your brain needs to get used to the sound of the language. Podcasts, subtitled videos, songs, all of this helps words stick in your memory. Repeat out loud. Key point. Hear a new word? Say it 5 times in different sentences. This will lock it into your memory for good. Block 4. Psychology and visualization. Stay calm. Panic blocks memory. If a word slips your mind, take a breath and try to explain it using a description. Example. Forgot umbrella? Say, it's a thing for rain. You'll be understood. Write more. When we write, mechanical memory kicks in. Start a notebook and write at least 1 sentence about your day. Connect words with images. The brain remembers images better. See a chair? Immediately associate it with the word chair, without naming it in your native language. These 10 tips will make your learning easier and more enjoyable. Which one will you try first? Write it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new lessons. See you next time.